Hi, honors pre-calc students. This is Mr. Grisato, and I thought it might be helpful to have a quick video on how you find the equation of a parabola given 3 points. So this is related to problem number 4 on the quadratic worksheet that was given to you earlier. So we know that f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c is the standard form. You should know that A determines the direction of the parabola and C is the y-intercept. So when I look at this first point that I just highlighted in yellow, I know that 299 is equal to A times negative 9 squared plus B times negative 9 plus C. When I look at this green highlighted point, I know that 9 is equal to A times 1 squared plus B times 1 plus C. And when I look at the blue point, I know that 12 is equal to A times negative 2 squared plus B times negative 2 plus C. So I'm substituting the x's and y's into the equation. So that top equation becomes 299 is equal to 81a minus 9b plus c. Second equation becomes 9 is equal to a plus b plus c. And that third equation is 12 is equal to 4a minus 2b plus c. So we've created a system of equations with 3 unknowns. And one way that you can solve this is using matrices. Now I'm going to rewrite this as 81a minus 9b plus c is 299. A plus b plus c is equal to 9. 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 12. And you may have solved it multiple ways using matrices. One way is to write this as a matrix as 81, negative 9, 1, and I'm going to put this vertical bar, 299, 1, 1, 1, and 9, so I put the coefficients, 4, negative 2, 1, and 12. And you may have used inverse matrices last year. There's multiple ways of solving this. Since we're not interested in solving by hand, we're interested in solving for the values of A, B, and C. We're going to use our calculator to do that. So first I'm going to show you how to do this on the TI, followed by the Casio. So on the TI, you have your calculator, and you're going to, I'm going to press matrix, so I'm going to go second matrix. And that matrix, I'm going to move over to edit. That matrix, I'm going to press number 1. It's 4 rows by 3 columns, so I'm going to go 4 by 3. And I'm going to type in, it's 3 by 4. So I need to go back up there. It's 3 rows and 4 columns. And I'm going to go back and type in what I see there on the screen, on the paper, exactly what I see on the screen. So I'm going to say 81, negative 9, 1, 299, 1, 1, 1, 9, 4, negative 2, 1, 12. And I'm just going to make sure that I don't have any typos. So we're going to use what we call reduced row echelon form. So after you type in the matrix, so the idea is you type in the equation, that vertical bar, then this bar here, it's kind of like the equal sign, and then you type in the answers kind of on the other side. Then I'm going to quit, so go second quit, and you're going to go back to matrix, second matrix. You're going to move over to math, and if you scroll up or down, doesn't matter which way you get there, I'm going to go up. I'm looking for, on this calculator it says RREF. It means reduced row echelon form. So I'm going to press that button, and I need to tell it the matrix, so I'm going to go second matrix because I typed this in matrix A. I'm going to type number 1 for A. And when I hit enter, it's going to solve this problem. So that top row, the 1, 0, 0, 4, means A is 4. The second row, 0, 1, 0, 3, means B is 3. And the third row means C is 2. So since the variables were A, B, C, the way we wrote this equation, when I use my calculator, it tells me A was equal to 4, B was equal to 3, and C was equal to 2. So I'm going to show that calculator again. So you see the 4, 3, 2, and we typed it in with A, B, and C in this equation. So the function is 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. The goal of this problem was to kind of understand that you can create this system of equations by plugging in the x and y. Eventually you'll get to the screen system. And I want you to be able to use technology to solve that system. On the Casio, it's a little different. It's actually a little easier. So when you, on the Casio, I like to go down to equation here. You could use matrices. So you go down to equation, oops, hit enter or execute. There are 3 unknowns, so I'm going to press F2. And now that's similar to the TI, so I'm going to type in this same information. So what you see on paper is what you type in. So that matrix. And I'm going to check in a second if I have any typos. So let's just make sure there's no typos. And this particular calculator, the Casio, once you set it up like this, you press F1 for solve, and it tells you the same answers. Now notice it says X, Y, Z, but your variables were A, B, and C. So you're going to get the same exact answer as the TI.